My name's Jacob. Right now, all I'm doing is putting sensors in this wheel so we can start mounting up these tires here. I'm just setting up for my rags. Because this is a reverse drop wheel, we don't want to have to scratch the surface of the wheel here. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting these rags down to ensure that if the wheel gets tight at all during the mounting process, that it's not going to slide and scratch the face of the wheel. I'm just using the help arm here to help get my feed into the drop center so I don't scratch this area of the wheel or wreck the bead of the tire. Just when things get a little tight like this, it's important to always watch what's going on with your machine gear to prevent any kind of damage to the wheel or tire itself. They don't call us technicians for nothing. So now, as you can see, after using the help arm, I've successfully got the tire on. There's no damage to my wheel, and everything went very smooth. And just like that, we have all 4 wheels mounted up. Now we just need to air them up, balance them, and then put them on the truck. These are the armed off-road carnage wheels in a 20 by 10, I believe. And we are wrapping them in Heda off-road tires, the AT878 RT to be exact. And for, I don't know what we're putting these on. I do believe they're going on a Dodge, but I think whatever they go on, they're gonna look really well.
I am just balancing this wheel and tire so it's good to go on the vehicle. So this machine will spin it up. Give us a couple numbers on the date so we get this mileage order. So these ones actually balanced out not too bad, pretty reasonable. So we'll put the sticky weights on, spin it again, and see what it comes up with. Just due to the tire fitting on the rim, and with the air and everything in it, that's how it would balance out on the vehicle as well. So it's always best to try and balance with air in it.